Alright, sorry guys, part 2. I had to restart the count. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, you know what the plan is. Ziggy's still dead. BTD 5, he's gonna die. I come in straight up, you come in through the side. Gang up. It has to be like this. It doesn't have to, but it has to. No, we're in the street. I just said that. You come back, but you get 10 seconds to get out of the bounce. If you stand, then you only have 5 seconds to get out. Oh God, I'm down. You can't revive me, but alright, cool. I'm just a recorder. I'm watching. I'm just recording, don't shoot me. You can't just shoot him like that. There is none? Empty.
Right before this round started.
There's nothing in there? You go check. Go get my bullet.
Don't fire.
Here you go. I'm dead. I got shot in the leg. There. So we have a little problem. So now it's a 1v1 against Mojoface and BT, whatever his name is.
I'm a trained shooter.
Don't worry, he got like a million score on, what was that thing? That game at that place?
Like hunting simulator?
Yeah, like a hunting simulator. You got like a million. Perfect. But we didn't have the camera at the time. Alright. Get back in your spots and we'll restart count. You know what to do. You're a brave soldier. You know how to shoot anyway.
I've shot real guns, not Nerf guns.
Same.
That's for sure. First time we shot was with me.
Yeah.
We took you with permission.
No. Yeah, we did. Alright, guys. 3, 2, 1, start.
See you on the other side.
I'm gonna stand next to you just to have the recording time. You can't shoot me.
Stop moving. Shot on you. I do. I just need to get shot on me.
Go forward. I'm just kidding. You do your own thing. I'm gonna shut up and have this little scene of fighting. Speed this up. This might go way too fast. I have no life. He's useless. Damn it, we got shot.
Okay,
all right.
My gun's not even firing.
That was bad anyway. Alright, we lost.
No, look.
No, dude, no, fire it.
Look.
It's not in the
There's not even a
chamber.
bullet in there.
What the hell happened? What happened to the bullet? Alright, we just lost like 15. Alright, well, I'll be back, and I guess so. This is horrible. We have technical difficulties with bullets. Nerf gun bullets. We'll be back. He's gone.
For fuck's sake.
Alright, guys. Wi-Fi disconnected. Nice. Alright, so this video might not be going up until maybe 3 o'clock, which is, it's 3:43, or it might be like 6 o'clock maybe, I don't know. Alright, 3 even ready. 2, there's one right there. 1, go. Why are we doing this? let's just let them come to us, okay? Oh, my Wi-Fi's not connected. Yay, there's gonna be a lot more videos. I'm just kidding. 3, 2, 1. I said go, but no one went. So.
Yeah, this bullet sucks.
Yes. At least it worked.
Here, catch it.
Oh wait, there's a bullet right there. I said 3, 2, 1, go. They're just camping. Campers. We're just sitting here. We're waiting for them to come to us. That's camping. There's a bullet right there. Oh man, wish I had a GoPro like this.
All right, got it.
That'd be sick. Look at the camera.
This was a piece of crap.
Look at the camera view. It's like That'd be pretty sick. Alright, I said go! God damn it. No one's coming. Alright, let's go. Let's just go get him. Oh no, they didn't even hear us. No.
3, 2, 1, go!
You said that like 15 times and no one moved. Do you guys have ears or not? I don't think so. Then you're gonna get beat up outside. No. I said 3, 2, 1, go. And you missed. You piece of shit.
You know what? I'm just gonna block now.
God dang it. Did you get him? Yeah. I did nothing to help, buttock. Wait, did you get both of them? No, you can't.
Oh, that freaking hurt. Dude, it's a Nerf gun. Hey, I know, but it hurt though. Huh? This is my right there walking with Sam? Yeah, I'm looking at that. I want to see what happens.
And the bullet's gone.
Everybody, when I see that, give them, okay?
I'm getting down now.
Over there. They went on the other street. They're coming back.
Oh, they are?
Give me my bullet.
Oh, that's your bullet.
Let's switch guns.
Nope.
Ziggy.
Oh, me and him already switched guns.
Let's switch guns.
Shit, I'm going inside. Bye. See you guys tomorrow. There's a bullet in there. Cool beans. Stop it.
So what are you gonna do with the Jade, get down.
Jay, get down. Look at her.
Get down.
Sadistic judge.
Get down, dude.
She's like, what's up, homie?
Want me to shoot her?
No, don't shoot her. Because then she's going to eat the bullet. Don't open the gate. It's broken. Hello. Oh.
It's a hard dose life.
It's a hard dose life. For those.
Get down. Get down. Get down.
I thought she looks so majestic. Uh-oh.
She like hopped on here.
Alright, well, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.